Hey YouTubers, good morning. This video shows how I modified a simple camera L bracket to make it stand up on its own and remove the need for like a small camera tripod when shooting with my YouTube videos with my smartphone, and also how I added a strong magnet to allow me to attach my camera to basically any metal objects or ferrous objects that are magnetic, like my kitchen stove or drill press, and take really good overhead shots in my cooking videos or close-ups in my shop videos. To make my YouTube videos, I use an old Galaxy S5 smartphone that I attached to a camera mount, and then I attached the camera mount to a generic L bracket that has a lot of attachments for lights and microphones. Now on the bottom of the L bracket, to make it stand up on its own and not fall over, I simply added a small piece of wood cut from a yardstick. Now the wood is balanced on the bottom of the L bracket and it allows it to stand up on its own. Next, I added a very strong neodymium magnet from an old discarded computer hard drive to the bottom of the L bracket. The width of the magnet was about 1/32 of an inch less than the wood or the knob that's on the bottom. This means that when you stand the bracket on a flat metal surface, the magnet almost touches, but there's a gap. That little gap reduces the strength of the magnet just enough to make it easy to remove. If the magnet is in full contact with a heavy piece of metal, it's very hard to remove. I used Gorilla super glue to attach the wood and the magnet, and it worked, but if you have two-part epoxy, it's much stronger adhesive and it'd be better, as you don't want the bond to fail when you lose your camera at the worst moment. Be careful placing the magnet and bracket on the stove or over anything that could harm you if it fell, like in hot oil or water. If you look closely, you can see I added a small piece of wood also to the Vastar camera mount, and I drilled a little hole in it and added a 1/4 inch brass machine screw. This allows me to attach a microphone mount if I need to. I take apart the bracket and also the mount and microphone and put them in an old sock, and this allows me to fit it all into my pants pocket. This modification using the little piece of wood and the magnet allows me to attach my camera to basically anything that's flat or made of magnetic ferrous metal at any angle, even upside down. I can also stand the camera up by itself. The bracket can also be attached to a tripod. If you like this hack, this modification, I have a bunch of camera hack videos I made over the years in a playlist linked in the video description. I also add new videos every week for the last 14 years on all sorts of topics. And I also leave links to the mount and the bracket if you want to buy one on Amazon. I'll have it in the video description. Alright guys, take care. Thanks for watching. See you out there.